Kobe beef hot dogs. Oh yeah. Pile them up with some sauteed onions, some sweet peppers, some smoked cheddar cheese. Stay tuned for Cooking 1.5.
Wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna make some Kobe beef hot dogs. I'm gonna put them on here kind of diagonal to make them a little fancy. Just gotta show him up sometimes. Space these out a little good. I'm gonna need my cameraman to pull down the thing there. Alright. We're gonna let these sit here for a few minutes. Yeah. See what we're working with here. And they're not really doing what I want them to do. This grill kind of sucks apparently. I put it on too hot. That's alright. Now what we're going to do here is, these are hot dogs. You all know how to make hot dogs. These are Kobe beef hot dogs. That's all you need to know.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. First, I'm going to take some oil in a pan. I'm using grapeseed oil. I'm going to saute up some fresh garlic. You want to use fresh garlic on this one. Then after I'm done, kind of get it brown, I'm going to get the big chunks out. You don't want to leave any of them big chunks in there because, you know, you get a big bite of real potent garlic, you know. Just leave a little bit in there. Oh yeah, throw them onions in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of saute them up, kind of caramelize them a little bit. I'm going to throw some sugar in there. Get your sugar in there. Kind of let them go. I mean, you can fully caramelize them if you want. I didn't, I just kind of sauteed them up. Left them still a little bit firm. Now I'm going to throw my chilies and my peppers and things out the garden. Got my sweet banana peppers and, and everything. And you get sweet mini peppers. Oh yeah. Just kind of saute them up in the pan, And what you want to do is, let them go for a little while. Maybe put a lid on there if you need to. Give them a little taste. You may need to add a little more sugar. Add a little more sugar. If they drying out too fast, just, put a little more grapeseed oil in there. But get them to your liking. Cover them up. Okay. Here I kind of give you a view of what I got in there. I got some cayenne pepper, I got some chilies, sweet banana peppers, shiitake mushrooms, and a bunch of different little sweet peppers, different colors. And of course we're using Kobe beef dogs. And some fresh shredded smoked cheddar cheese.
So anyways, we're going to take these puppies off. I think they're done. Yeah, I think they're good.
Okay, so we back, and my little brother, he cooked some Kobe beef dogs on the grill, and what I done here is I took some smoked cheddar cheese, grated that up. I got some peppers and onions mixed, you saw me, and last minute I decided not to put the shiitake mushrooms in there because I got another recipe idea that I'm going to do, and I kind of need them. I want to go to the store again, but I mean, you can put the mushrooms in there if you want. We changed last minute. I got something else I'm going to work on. But we got our Kobe beef dogs. And what I've done is I put them inside a sweet loaf. I don't know if I can show you this. Let me see. Huh? Hmm? How's that look? Hmm? Alright, so we got in there. I did put a little mustard and ketchup on there because regular hot dog, I gotta have the mustard. I don't know. We'll take a bite. We'll see what we think. Maybe we change it up next time. That cheese is melting.
Oh,
Mmm. Oh, yeah. Mmm. You gotta go with the sweet roll. Sweet bread like that. You know what'd be good? Hawaiian bread.
yeah, that was my idea.
I just said it.
I was about to say it, but I was chewing.
Mmm. Mm. Man, them Kobe beef dogs are good.
Yeah.
That don't taste like a regular hot dog. Mmm. Name brand right there. Kobe's a good brand. I don't like them generics. Honestly, you don't need the mustard and ketchup. Just more onions and peppers. Pile them on there. All that cheese. Maybe the mustard. The mustard's kind of, mustard's mingling in there a little. Mmm.
Yeah.
Man. Mmm. There you have it. Kobe beef hot dog idea with some peppers, cheese. Do what you want. It's good. We'll get another recipe going for you. Be sure to stop by, check us out on Facebook. Visit our website, cooking15.com. And, subscribe. Hit that little bell, Maybe make some comment down in the comments, Maybe tell us, some of your ideas. What do you put on there? So some people like the sauerkraut and that kind of, I don't like that kind of stuff. But, there's all kinds of things. What other things can people put on a hot dog?
Peanut butter?
Peanut butter?
Sure. Why not?
No, I don't think so. Now, I've seen people put like a relish. Maybe like a sweet relish.
Sweet pickle relish.
Pretty good on there.
Yeah.
Mm. They always end up with them little ends. Well, I think I might have another one of them. That smoked cheddar was, I hit the spot right there. Alright, we out of here.